Hello everyone, I'm Nitya, founder of Habada Fashions, and this is my story of how and why Habada Fashions was born. I love these beautiful saris. I used to admire and sometimes even envious of those who can carry it on themselves so beautifully. But I had all these saris lying in my wardrobe, cursing me for not letting them out for more than an hour or maximum 2 hours. Now all that changed when I moved into this new community to live in. It was Navratri or Dasera, as you may call it, was round the corner, and I thought it will be a good opportunity for me to invite people homes or visit their houses and socialize and get to know each other. That meant being in sari for longer hours, sometimes half a day, sometimes more than that. No doubt I just love these elegant saris and how beautiful they are. But being in them for more than an hour or two definitely was a nightmare for me. Why? I had my own reasons. One, I just could not get the drape right, so I needed to learn it. Second, I could not get the right shape to my sari drape without it being too tight or uncomfortable. And my regular inskirt kept getting stuck between my legs when I walk or do any of my normal routine. Then there are those drawstrings which was an irritant at the waist. They kept moving from its place, they used to leave marks on my waist, and it became more painful if the climate was humid or hot. The last and the most important point was I dreaded using the restroom in a sari. First, while using the restroom, my sari drape would all probably come loose, and putting them back into shape was a task in itself. Second, I used to feel extremely unpleasant and unhygienic at the thought of staining my sari in the water or the things with which my sari would come into contact in the restroom, and the sheer clumsiness of this entire process made me cringe. But just because I'm in a sari, I'm not going to hold my bladder for that long, right? It's criminal and it's definitely not a healthy thing to do for your body. At that juncture, I decided I'm not going to give up on my saris, but also not going to settle for something that is uncomfortable or get used to being uncomfortable in a sari. That's when I decided to look for solutions. Now, I did find good solutions to learn how to drape my sari better, and I did learn it. But I could not find a single product that would solve all my other challenges at one go. That is when I decided to take things in my own hands, and Habada Fashions was born. In the next 15 days, we came up with our prototype of an inskirt and gave it to prospective consumers to test and try. After months of trial and error and some valuable feedback, we have our market-ready sari shaping inskirt that would solve all these problems at one go. Our sari shaping inskirts are stylish, elegant, and shapes your sari drape beautifully without compromising on your comfort or convenience. Its most important feature is a mechanism that enables you to use the restroom without any hassles and at peace. In the next video, we'll talk in detail about the various features of our product that makes it the right choice for an inskirt. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.